I'm so excited for today's look. I'm going to use my favorite palettes from Juvia's Place. They've both got such interesting colors. I'm so Hello my lovely people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna create this eye look. So I request you to please stay with me till the end so you can learn how I created this look. Oh, if you're new here, hi, I'm Kritie Robertson. I make videos every Monday and Thursday. If you enjoy watching videos like this one, then please consider subscribing so you can get notified every time I post videos. Now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. I'm so excited for today's look. I'm going to use my favorite palettes from Juvia's Place. They've both got such interesting colors. I'm so excited. So first I'm going to use this Suva Beauty Hydra Cream Base as my eyeshadow base. It's in the shade Mural. So I'll take some on my brush and I'm going to put it on my eyelid. This is a really thick product, so it's a bit hard to spread it out, but that means it's going to provide a very nice base to my eyeshadow look. Sorry, I'm so excited today. I've been dancing all day. I don't know why I'm excited, but yeah. And now I'm going to go with this shade in my crease. I'm just taking a clean brush and blending out the edges. I completely forgot to put powder under my eyes because I've already done my face makeup. I want to protect the face makeup from the fallout from the eyeshadows. So if I put some powder on, later I can just brush it off with the fallout. And now I'm going to repeat the same step on the other eye. And now from the Magic palette, I'm going to take this shade called Ife and I'm going to intensify my crease with it. And now we're going to go a bit crazy and we're going to take this shade called Buzo. It's a beautiful green shimmer, so we're just going to put it on our eyelid. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye. And now I'm going to take this shade called Yemoja and I'll put it in my inner corner. And now I'm going to use these two different shades of green glitter. I'm going to mix them both. Now I'm going to use this Kryolan Hydra Mastix glue to stick my glitter on the eyelids. I'm going to first take the lighter glitter and put it in the inner corner. And then I'm going to go with the darker glitter. And now I'm going to line my eyes with this Inglot AMC liner in the shade 64. I'm going to do the other eye now. And now I'm going to brush off the excess powder. And now from the Anastasia Glow Kit, I'm going to take this shade and then put it in my brow bone area. Just gonna blend it out. And now I'm gonna take the same shade and also highlight my cheekbone. Now I'm gonna put the same Inglot eyeliner in my waterline. And now I'm gonna put this Sephora black eyeliner under my eye. And now I'm going to take the same mauve shade from the Nubian palette. The name of the shade is Jezebel, and I'll put it under my eyes. And now I'm going to put on these lashes. Just going to put on this mascara. And last I'm going to put on this Estee Lauder lipstick. It's in the shade 450 called Insolent Plum. So I'm hoping it'll go with my eye look. So here's the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.